Hi, this is Kumar from Moria Education. From this video, we will be releasing SAP FICO S4HANA videos. For each and every configuration, we will be doing a separate video on it. So this is the starting video where we will be doing the creation of company code. In this video, we will be doing only the creation of company code. To create a company code, we need to go into SAP Display IMG screen. Now we are in SAP Easy Access screen as you are seeing now. This is SAP Easy Access screen. The name of the screen is in the top middle of the screen. From SAP Easy Access screen, go to the left top. Here you can see the command field, command bar. Here we need to type the transaction code to get into the screen. So now type SPRO in this command bar. SPRO. After typing SPRO in the command bar, you see here I have typed SPRO. This is SPRO. As soon as after you type SPRO in the command field, click enter. Now you need to click SAP reference IMG. This is the option which you need to click on it. You can also use the shortcut key F5. As soon as you place the cursor on this SAP reference IMG, you will able to see you can able to see the shortcut key for this option also. The shortcut key for SAP reference IMG is F5. Click on SAP reference IMG. Now we are in display IMG screen. Here you can see the heading of this screen. The name of the screen is display IMG. IMG means implementation guide, where we will be doing all the implementation activities. From display IMG screen, go to the enterprise structure. Here we have enterprise structure. You need to click on this right small arrow which you are seeing on the screen. When you click on this right arrow, the options in this menu, in this enterprise structure will get expanded. Click on this right arrow. Now you can see there are three more options under this uh, enterprise structure. That is definition, assignment, and consistency check. These are the three options which you got after you expand the field of enterprise structure. Now click on definition. Now expand the field of definition by clicking on the right arrow just beside the definition. Now go into financial accounting. Under financial accounting, we have edit, copy, delete, check company code. This is the option. To go into the screen, you need to click on this clock symbol just beside the edit, copy, delete, check company code. And if you want to see the transaction code for this edit, copy, delete, check company code, go to the top of the screen where you will see additional information. Click on this additional information and then go to again additional information. Here we have display key. In display key, we have maintenance object. Click on this maintenance object. A small line will appear. Drag this line where you can see the additional information. This is additional information. So here, if you expand this field, you can see all the transaction codes. This is the transaction code. OX02 is the transaction code for check company code to create the company code. The last four letters is called as transaction code. This is OX02. and OX03 is the another transaction code for defined business area. So for now, as of now, we are creating company code. So now click on this clock symbol just beside the edit copy delete check company code. A new screen will appear. From this screen, double click on the edit company code data. This is the second option, edit company code data. Double click on this edit company code data. Now you will end up in the screen where you can create the company codes. These all are the company codes which are already created in this server. Now we need to create a separate company code. To create a company code, we need to click on new entries. New entries option is in the top of the screen. This is the new entries. Click on this new entries. Now you will see all the fields which needs to be filled up to create a company. So company code, here we have only 4 characters are allowed. That means only 4 alphanumeric characters are allowed. Whether it can be all numerics or it can be alphabets or it can be both, a mix of alphabets and numbers. But altogether we need to have only 4 characters. So select the company code field. This is the company code field and give a new name which is not there in the server. Company code, I'll give the company code field as 777. So 7777 is already there, so I cannot use this 7777. I can only use 777. You see 7777 is there, so I have only entered 777. After entering the company code, select the company name field and type the company name. I'll give the company name as Super Sonic Solutions. So company code is the 4 character alphanumeric key which I have said. So because there is only 4 characters here, we cannot type the entire company name. But here in the company name field, we can type the name of this company. And after coming to additional data, select the city and type the city name. I will type the city name as Hyderabad. And select the country or region. This is the country or region field where the company code is situated. This Supersonic Solutions company is there. So this company, where it is registered, where it is situated, where it is doing its business, where is the head office of this Supersonic Solutions, in which country. Select the country in which this company is there. I am selecting the country as IN, that is India. If you just click on this search symbol, you can see all the countries which are there in SAP. Click on this search symbol. Now you can see that 250 entries has been found. That means 250 countries are there in this SAP. From these 250 countries, we need to select India. Scroll down, you will find India, and the code for India is IN. See, here it is there, IN. Double click on this India to get selected and select currency. What is the currency used in India? That is Indian rupee. So give INR, type INR, you will select, you will get the recommendation, that is INR, Indian rupee. The long text for INR is Indian rupee. And the currency which you enter here is called as local currency, or we can also call it as company code currency, or we can also call it as domestic currency. That means The currency which we enter here in the while the creation of company code, that is called as local currency, or it is also called as company code currency, or it is also called as another name for company code currency and local currency is domestic currency. And the next is language. What is the language which we are using in this company code? Whatever the accounts which you do in this company code, whatever the transactions and whatever the reports we produce in this company code will get reflected in the language which we select it here. So select the language and click on search. We are selecting English. Select English. Double click on English. So the short form for English is EN. After selecting these all things, click on save. Save option is in the right bottom of the screen. Is it here? Click on save. Now you will get edit address field. Edit address means we need to give the entire clear details of this company code, where it is situated, the street address, post box number, communication, telephone, mobile phone, like this. So title, select the title and select it as company because this is a company. And name, select the name as 777 Super Sonic Solutions. And search term, what is the search term which you are using to search this company code? There are so many company codes. For example, we have 200 to 300 company codes. If you give the search term here as 777, as soon as you type 777, your company code will get displayed. Street address, give the street address. These all details will be given by management in the company. No need of filling it in the practice. But the one which is there as a star mark, red star mark. This is the red star mark. That means this is mandatory. So we need to fill the field here. This field is mandatory because we are seeing the red star mark. Select the country or region and type IN where the company is located. This company code is located. Our company code is situated in India. So select India. In region also we can select the region by clicking on search. Hyderabad city is in Telangana. So the state is Telangana. Select Telangana. I have selected Telangana. After filling all the details, you can click on save. Copy option is in the bottom of the screen, right bottom. See, this tick option is called as save or copy or enter. You can also use enter in the keyboard. Enter a postal code. Give the postal code like something 6 characters and click on copy. This is the transport request. Transport request is used whenever we transport our configurations from development to quality and quality to testing. So to transfer these all configurations which we did from different servers to a different server, we use this transaction code. So select own request, or you can create your own request. If you click on this create request, you can create the own request. Select short description and give your request name and type save. I have given 777. Okay, and now click on save and I click on continue. continue option is this right click on this right arrow. Now the data is being saved. You can see here it is getting saved. So now you can see the data is saved. In the left bottom of the screen you can see the message is stating that data was saved. That means this company code is been created and the country is IN and currency is INR. This INR is called as I have said you, local currency or company code currency or domestic currency. Now go back. Back option is in the left top of the screen. This is the back symbol. The left arrow indicates this is the back. We can go back to the previous screen. Now we can see 777 supersonic solutions is been created. So this is how we create a company code. And in the next video, we will create the next configuration. For each and every video, we will have a separate configuration. So for each configuration, we'll have a separate video.